help us reinvent. Ladies and gentlemen, next I'm going to now invite Mr. Arun Madappallath, Country Manager South Asia, Serge Ferrari. He's been associated with the field of coated composite membrane for architecture and industry for over 17 years. And he's been in the building industry since 2000 with the Middle East, within the Middle East and South Asia region. When he's not working, he spends time watching and playing cricket. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me bring to the podium Mr. Arun Madappallath with a round of applause.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank IESA for giving us an opportunity to present about Ferrari and the coated composite textiles in this presentation. Okay, as you said, I'm Arun Madappallath, working for Serge Ferrari since 13 years. I was in Middle East, based in Dubai, and I took charge of India from 2014. Okay, so about Serge Ferrari Group. It's a French company established in 1974 by Mr. Serge Ferrari. Currently, we are 650 employees working in this company all over the world with a turnover of 160 million euro and 650 employees right now working. Sorry, I would like to use my specs. I'm not able to read it. Okay, so Ferrari is a leader in the flexible composite material sector, and we globally offer to meet tomorrow's major challenges in sustainable construction, energy control, protection, and renewal of resources, designs for all. My friend Mr. George has already covered the manufacturing process and about the PVC and all. So I'll just, I'll not go deep brief into the manufacturing process, but I will just highlight here what technology Serge Ferrari is using today for the industry. So we have a factory in La Dupin. Okay, this is Serge Ferrari factory and coating facility for pre-contain and for Batyline. Batyline is an extruded fabric coating. We have also a factory in Switzerland, okay, and we manufacture our own yarn in Iglizau, and we have a recycling unit in Italy, in Ferrara. We have subsidiaries all over the world. Okay, now the applications. We are into multi-sector application of coated textiles. We are into textile facade. It's a permanent textile facade. We are into tensile architecture. We also manufacture fabric for furniture, indoor and outdoor, solar protection, indoor and outdoor, modular structures and pagodas for the tent and event industry. We are also into the printing fabric manufacturing. So about Ferrari, we have in-house engineering process and manufacturing of our production. We do manufacture yarns, we do the spinning, we do the weaving, formulation, coating and extrusion, and logistics and recycling. It's a completely integrated company. Okay, now regarding the Ferrari technology. In 1974, when Serge Ferrari started this company, he has innovated a technology called pre-contain technology. Pre-contain is a French word. Basically, it's in English, it's pre-stress. So during the coating process of the fabric is made of high tenacity polyester yarn. During the coating process, we stretch the yarn in both directions, in warp and weft, with some special application, special clips. The advantage of this is that the yarns will be flat and you will have better top coat thickness on the yarns. Okay, the advantage is that the dimension stability of the fabric will be same in both direction. So it is better resistance to UV. You have more PVC, so the longevity of the fabric will be more, and fabric will be flat always, which is aesthetic of your tent. Easier fabrication in better welding and production of both homogeneity for safety. So just to give you a small example here, okay, with pre-constraint technology, the elongation is nearly only 0.4 percentage, which is roughly 1.5 centimeter. Okay, conventional coated fabrics maybe have elongation of 1.5 percentage depending on the fabric companies. Okay, we have a couple of range of fabric for the tent industry. We have two types. One is 750 gram and 830 gram. All the fabric are flame retardant with all international standards. This is 830 gram with PVDF coating, top coating. This is an interesting application innovation from Ferrari, which is Kedar. Normally in Kedar, we will see uncoated fabric for the Kedars. In Ferrari, we have fabric with uncoated side, which will go into the profile, and the weldable part will be normal PVC. The advantage is that the dirt resistance is better compared to the standard Kedar. Another product which Ferrari is introduced is air tension system, ATS system. This is mainly used for tent structures. Okay, so here I would like to highlight the principles of the Kedar system, general features, technical performance, and the kit Serge Ferrari provide for this application. Okay, normally in membrane, because of the elongation, there will be a possibility of water ponding because the fabric elongates. So with ATS system, we have developed, we have a system with an inner membrane where you can inflate the air inside, which is welded to the fabric, and to the Kedar system, which will go into the aluminum profile. It is better tolerance for membrane manufacturing, easier to set up, and tension is more simply to achieve once membrane is installed. It can be used for single membrane as well as for double membrane. So you can see here the ATS system is on the edges of the complete tent structure. It is highlighted here. There you can see it is an inflated system. So the difference here is without ATS, possibility of water leaks, water pockets leads to excess weight. In ATS, with ATS, there is no water pockets. All the water will go down and there is no leak. Double membrane is good for acoustic performance as well. This is for rain. It is also applicable for snow, same performance. And if you have high wind, definitely it is not flapping. The flapping may lead to the damage of the fabric. And temperature control, with double membrane, we can have better temperature control. We can reduce the energy for the air conditioning or heating. Again, for the acoustic performance as well, the ATS double membrane is very effective if you want to have a show where you want to reduce the reverberation of the sound and noise reduction. Double membrane is highly recommendable. Again, anti-humidity condensation. If you use the double membrane, the condensation is not there. So it's a condensation-proof application. And another product where I would like to highlight is anti-theft. We have a defender membrane which can be added between the two membranes to ensure for security for the tent. This membrane actually comes with stainless steel reinforcement with the fabric. So it is not possible to cut the fabric with the knife. So this is a starter kit we have. We have the welding machine for the PVC plus compressor for the air. Then we have the clamp and we have Ferrari valve to close the application. So we have adapter, die, value key, etc. for this. This kit completes in one package, and which is easy, very easy to carry and very easy to use for the ATS system. This is just to show how it works, and we have it in 2 diameter, 150 and 100 diameter ATS system. So it's good for heat, sound, comfort and waterproof and much more with the ATS system, which we'll be launching very soon in this market. This is just to give some few pictures of for applications here using membrane for the wide storage, industrial application. Again with ATS system, you can see the flatness of the fabric. It's always tensioned with the ATS. Rental tents, events. Of course, this is a clear film structure with ATS system for the tensioning. And acoustics. Ferrari has a fabric for the inner layer for the acoustic performance. It's called Battleline AW. This with a 100 mm air gap between the two fabrics, the performance of this fabric is, the reverberation of the sound is, can be reduced from 4 seconds to 1.2 seconds depending on the area and the structure. And the NRC value is 0.65. The high value is 1, but we have 0.65, and with rock wool we can reach 1. This is just an appreciation of about the reverberation of sound. It was 6.9 seconds for this project before, and after it was reduced to 2.5 seconds, which is very significant using the Battleline AW membrane for the reduction of reverberation of sound. And of course some pictures for the sports, events. So these are few pictures which gives the wide range of application using membrane structures, hangers, storage, etc. So thank you very much for your time. If you have any question, please you can come back to me. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Madappallath, for sharing and showcasing the tremendous innovations that Serge Ferrari has on offer. Thank you very much. I think those will really help us along the way.